with AI development.
And finally, long-term ESG impact. Because it's such a core part, we need studies looking at the actual measurable environmental, social, and governance outcomes over time for organizations using HBMF.
Understand the real sustainability benefits. All sounds like important future work.
Absolutely. So wrapping up this deep dive, we've really unpacked the honey badger management framework.
Looked at how it's built for this modern world of hybrid human-AI work.
We covered the core bits, those super short, cancelable sprints,
The defined roles manager, guru, specialist,
the central role of the AI assistant as a knowledge partner.
and that deep commitment to ESG principles running through it all.
And we've seen how it tries to tackle the limitations of older methods, both traditional and agile, in today's complex environment.
Offering a potentially more integrated, adaptable approach.
So here's the final thought, really, for you listening. Even if adopting HBMF wholesale isn't feasible for your organization right now, think about the principles.
Yeah, what pieces might resonate?
Could you experiment with shorter work cycles, even if not 7 days, maybe shorter iterations? How could you use AI more strategically, not just for simple tasks, but to boost knowledge?
Could you embed sustainability thinking more deeply into your team's everyday decisions?
Exactly. What honey badger traits, that fearlessness, that resilience, that determination, could you consciously bring to your next project?
Even applying just 1 or 2 ideas from HBMF might spark some interesting changes.
Definitely worth considering. There's a lot here to mull over and maybe explore further in your own context. Things are getting pretty complex for organizations these days, wouldn't you say?
Oh, absolutely. It's quite the challenge.
Like you've got this explosion of AI just everywhere.
Coming into the workplace fast.
And at the same time, this huge push for, sustainability, ESG practices.
Exactly. Environmental, social, governance. It's critical now.
And it just feels like the old ways of managing things. Well, maybe they're not quite cutting it anymore.
That's a really good way to put it. There's definitely a growing gap, between those traditional approaches and what's needed now.
Yeah, the speed of tech change, plus needing to be responsible, it demands something more adaptable.
It really does. Which I think leads us nicely into our topic for this deep dive.
Right. We're looking at the honey badger management framework, HBMF for short.
HBMF, okay.
And this isn't your standard textbook management theory. It's specifically designed for organizations using, well, a mix. Humans and AI assistants working together.
That blend is key. And the name, honey badger.
Yeah.
That's pretty evocative.